Oh, my sweet daddy, you had this meal planned before I got off of work. So now we're going to put this hot water cornbread together. We're taking 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and we're going to heat this in the microwave until hot. Next, we'll add 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to mix this until all the cornmeal is moistened. Then we'll set aside and let the water and the oil mix with the glutens in the cornmeal. This is how it looks once the water has absorbed into the cornmeal, and then you get like a nice dough. We're going to take the dough now out of the bowl, and we're going to make little patties. And you just softly form the patties and set them aside on a plate. Really easy to do, very simple recipe, and oh so good. Now we're going to add some vegetable oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan and get this hot. Next, we're going to add our hot water cornbread patties to the pan. And if they crack a little bit, go ahead and pinch the dough together. And you want to leave these to fry until they're golden brown. Now we're going to turn them very gently and carefully. If you're not careful, they may break. And I'm just going to adjust my pan because I get more heat on one side of the eye. Look at the ham hocks you had Mr. G put on while I was at work. And your pinto beans and onions. Look so good. The patties are done now. I'm going to take them out of the skillet and set them to drain on paper towel. Nice and golden brown, just like them. And even though we used a little vegetable oil, we're still going to add some butter. This recipe actually goes way back to Lillie Mae from Nashville, Tennessee, my children's grandmother. All right, Dad, here is your plate. I fixed your plate as the man that you were. Even though you weren't able to eat it all, you enjoyed it. There's that dollop of butter. Look at it melt on that hot water cornbread. So yummy. Thank you, Daddy.